Hey guys, what's up? My name is Brandon and welcome to our YouTube channel, Wallet Insiders. Right here, we'll be diving into money matters like personal finance, investing, budgeting, and starting a business. But don't worry, we'll break things down into easy pieces that you guys could understand exactly what it is we do here. On this channel, we'll be sharing my journey as a young entrepreneur in hopes that I can be an inspiration for you all. Rest assured that everything that we share on this channel, will be applying it in our own lives. We'll be fully transparent as possible, giving you guys an in-depth view of what it's like to have an idea for a business and actually starting a business, going from idea to launch. I'm gonna keep it as chill and casual as possible, like a couple of friends hanging out and learning together. But most importantly, I want this channel to be a growing, supportive, and fun community where all of us can learn from one another. Who said entrepreneurship and finance has to be boring, right? Hit that like and subscribe button to keep updated on all the latest content that we post here. We'll be posting twice weekly for now, and hopefully more in the future as this team grows. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions for future videos, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, you guys can reach out to us via our social media channels or email. I'll leave links in the description below for that. And yeah, I'd love to hear from you guys as soon as possible. Alright, until the next video guys, peace out.